So my name is Vanshika and I'm taking Paralegal. I grew up in a small town in India. It's definitely Shark Tank. And can I add one more? It's Residence Commons. My Loyalist experience in one word is opportunities. As a paralegal student, I would prefer to write an exam. I have been inspired from the TV show Suits. I hope you have seen it. It's like there was one character named Rachel. She inspired me a lot. I was like, I wanted to be like her. And yeah, we have mock trials in our classes and our professors act as judge, and it's like so exciting. Yeah, I can say Loyalist is my second home. That's what I believe, because over here I have grown a lot, I have explored a lot, and it has changed my whole personality.